today's dessert combination your partner must not be able to refuse. Glutinous rice flour with cornstarch. Stir in black sesame milk. Filter out large particles. Taste better. Poke small holes in plastic wrap. Boil water and steam in pot. Melt the butter while it is still hot. Knead evenly. Repeated stretching until the surface is smooth. Sprinkle a little bit of cooked glutinous rice flour. Prevent sticking. Divide into 35 grams small doses. Make it round first and then flatten it. Spread on small bowl. Next, let's make the sandwich part. What I chose here is the microcosm and blue dough cheese sticks. Their big brands have ample portions. There are 5 flavors in total. Everyone can choose according to their own taste. Choose different flavor combinations. Their cheese sticks are creamy and creamy. Smooth taste. Sweet but not greasy. It's perfect in the summer after freezing. The original cheese sticks I chose go well with it. Black sesame cheese. Squeeze on a little cream to make the base. Put the cheese sticks on. Squeeze some more cream. Wrap it tightly like a bun. Cut off excess part. Sprinkle some soybean flour. Let's make a simple cheese stick manglar. Melting chocolate over water. Sprinkle some almond slices for added texture. Pre-frozen cheese sticks into chocolate solution. It will form crispy skin quickly. Cue elastic brushed with a rich aroma. Dessert combination of black sesame soft cheese and cheese stick magnum. Both adults and children can eat it. Satisfies cravings and is nutritious at the same time. Come and make it for the one you love.